Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 8th grade concept of ordering numbers. This is standard 8.2D in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 22 of the 2018 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've just got 4 raw numbers here. We need to order them from least to greatest. So let's just make a number line here. And I can tell you, got 0 right there. You see we got 2 negatives, so we know those 2 have to be first. And that's what you're going to see in all of our 4 answer choices. So we can't eliminate anything just because they didn't put one of the negatives first. So let's see if we can turn all of these into decimals. That's going to be very helpful. So let's first work on this 37 over 6. So let's just divide up. Let's just divide that 6 into 37. Right, that's going to be 6. It's going to go in one time, decimal. So that's going to go in. 6 goes into 6, 36, there we go, 1. All right. That's going to go in 6 times. Looks like we're going to get repeating right here. That 4 is going to keep going again and again and again. All right. So that equals 6.16. And then that 6 is repeating. I don't know where to put that quite yet. I want to see what the other positive looks like. So my other positive is going to be 33 square roots. So how do we take care of that? Well, when we're looking at square roots, one of the ways we can do it is we can find which numbers are exactly to below or above that square root. So let's see. Oh, it's really close to 6. Look at that. Square root of 36 is 6. Below that is 25 is 5. So it's going to be 5 point something. But take a look at this. We've got a range there of 11 from 25 to 36. It's only 3 away here, but it's 8 away from 25. So it's really, really close to 6. It's almost 3/4 of the way, so I'm going to call it 5.7-ish. All right, so we're going to put a little approximately here, 5.7. That's going to give me close enough, so I can go ahead and chart these two now, and I know these two are going to be kind of close. So I'm going to put my 5.7, which is the square root of 33. And then I've got my 6.16 with the 6 repeating. That's my 37/6. All right, so I've got these two as my option. Those two have it incorrect. So now let's go to my negative 26/5. That's easy. So negative 26/5, I'm just going to divide up, right? Let's divide that 5 into 26. That's going to be 5. 25, 1. All right, so that's going to be 2. 5.2, but it is negative, so let's make it negative 5.2. Before I put that on there, though, let's check out my negative 5.17. It's already in a decimal, so I love that. All right, so remember when we're dealing with negatives, the smaller the number, the closer it is to 0. So I'm going to call this negative 5.17. Repeating, and just a little bit past that, it's going to be my negative 5.2, or negative 26/5. So my negative 26/5 comes first, then my negative 5.17, then my square root of 33, then my 37/6. So it looks like I've got my answer here on H. Yes, because this is definitely not first, so we'll go ahead and cross these off. And my answer here is H.